I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Altera Payroll as an employee. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So you typically go to your company's specific payroll portal, so often through a provider like Evolution Payroll, Employee Navigator, or Payday LLC using your username and your password, with Altera often powering the backend, so look for links on your employer's site or ask HR for the exact URL to your employee self-service portal to manage pay stubs, W-2s, and personal info. So just find your portal. Go to your company's main website, just open your Safari. So once you find it, just go ahead and open the website. And what you need to do is just use the username and password provided by your employer to log in. Make sure you ask your employer for that and just enter your user ID and your password and sign in. After you've done that, the portal might mention Altera as the payroll provider or partner. You just need to contact HR if stuck. If you can't find the link or have forgotten your details, you just need to contact your company's HR or payroll department for direct assistance as they manage these accounts. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.